Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use training transfer tokens in FIFA Mobile. The training transfer tokens are tokens that you can use to upgrade your player from example from a goalkeeper Neuer to a 100 overrated player. Okay, so you're going to go into my team and then you're going to go into the player section. You're going to pick a player that you want to transfer, you want to exchange. So let's pick Pulisic and go into the details section. And here you're going to press the train button. And here you're going to see transfer training level. And you can see player has no training and he's unable to transfer. So make sure that we pick someone that has been training. So let's go into the Lingard. Let's go train. Then let's select some players and let's train him. And you're going to go into these transfer training level. Okay. And here is we want tap on the player and please select a target player. So let's pick Pulisic for example and let's unlock him. And in order to transfer the overrated player from 78 to 82, we need some transfer tokens. And from here you have 100. You get transfer and training tokens by doing a lot of the training campaigns and doing just the overall live events underneath the division rival section. Just here, and you can do lots of these tutorials and campaigns in order to get training transfer tokens. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.